Direct replacement. This AC service valve is designed to match the fit and function of the original valve on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This valve is made to fit and fully restore part functionality after the original valve fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This AC service valve is designed to match the fit and function of the original valve on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. Great, must-have for GM vehicles. Great part. I have no idea why GM went to proprietary ball valves. This saves me from any seepage leak I had on my GMC truck. Worked like a charm and no longer have any issues with holding pressure. Be sure to order a socket for it or be prepared to order a new high-pressure line when working on older GMs. The line may break or bend if it's been there a long time.